Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe Crypto on-ramp and Webhook verification. To install the Stripe Crypto on-ramp and set up Webhook verification, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the left sidebar. Select API keys and ensure you have both the publishable and secret keys available. Next, go to the Stripe dashboard and click on the Products tab. Create a new product specifically for your crypto on-ramp service. Fill in all necessary product details, including name and description. Once your product is created, head over to the pricing section. Set the pricing model that suits your business needs. Now, navigate to the Connect tab in the Stripe dashboard. Enable the Crypto on-ramp feature by following the prompts provided. After enabling the feature, generate your API endpoint for the on-ramp. Ensure you save the endpoint securely, as you will need it for your integration. Next, turn your attention to Webhook verification. Go back to the Developers section and select Webhooks. Click on the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook. In the URL field, paste the endpoint you previously saved for your on-ramp. Choose the events you want to listen for, such as payment_intent.succeeded and charge.refunded. Press the Create Endpoint button to finalize the webhook setup. After creating the webhook, copy the signing secret safely. This signing secret will be used to verify the authenticity of incoming webhook events. Implement the webhook verification code in your server application. Make sure it correctly validates incoming events using the signing secret. Test the webhook by sending a test event from the Stripe dashboard. Monitor your server logs to confirm that the verification works as intended. With the installation complete, you can now accept crypto payments through Stripe. Ensure continuous monitoring of the webhook events for any errors or discrepancies. Regularly update your integration whenever Stripe releases new features or changes. This setup will allow efficient processing of crypto transactions in your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.